If you want to know how to use the laser pointer in PowerPoint, you're in the right place. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you the exact steps to turn your mouse into a laser pointer while presenting, so you can highlight key points, direct attention, and make your slideshow feel much more professional. This is really useful for meetings, classes, webinars, and any presentation where you want to guide your audience clearly. And before we begin, if this video helps you out, please hit that like button and subscribe for more easy PowerPoint tutorials just like this one. Alright, let's jump in. First, open your PowerPoint presentation and start the slideshow by pressing F5 on your keyboard. This will launch your slides in full screen, which is important because the laser pointer option is only available while you're in presentation mode. Once the slideshow starts, hold down the Ctrl key on your keyboard. Keep holding it because this tells PowerPoint you want to use presentation tools instead of just moving your mouse normally. While still holding Ctrl, right-click anywhere on the slide. A small menu will appear on the screen. From that menu, click on the Pointer Options choice. This is where PowerPoint gives you different pointer tools for presenting. After that, select Laser Pointer from the list. As soon as you do that, your mouse cursor changes into a red laser pointer. Now you can move it around your slide and use it to point at text, shapes, charts, or anything else you want your audience to focus on. It works great for emphasizing important details without distracting from the presentation itself. If you want to stop using the laser pointer, just release the Ctrl key or exit the pointer mode depending on your version of PowerPoint, and your cursor will return to normal. So let's quickly review the process. Start the slideshow with F5, hold Ctrl, right-click, choose Pointer Options, and then select Laser Pointer. That's all it takes to activate the red laser pointer in PowerPoint. It's simple, fast, and once you know where to find it, you can use it in every presentation to look more confident and polished. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and check out more PowerPoint tips and tricks on the channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.